Every detail of this custom order was carefully chosen to bring elegance and timeless beauty to life.
A one-of-a-kind birthday gift featuring an assortment of handcrafted fabric roses and greenery pieces. I start with a soft abstract background using lavender, lilac, white, and shimmering gold. The goal is to create depth and movement while keeping the colors airy and elegant. The gold specks add a touch of shimmer, making the final piece truly stand out. Now onto the florals. Each rose is handcrafted from felt, fabric, and ribbon, adding texture and dimension. I want these flowers to feel soft and organic, complementing the painted background beautifully. For the first canvas, I'm arranging the roses into an M shape, making sure the placement is balanced and visually appealing. I'll be adding greenery to the bottom of this canvas to add an extra natural appeal. The second canvas features a more natural floral flow, featuring a timeless design that complements the first piece. With all these details in place, these custom canvases are complete. The combination of abstract textures, handcrafted florals, and shimmering gold accents make these pieces truly special. I love how these turned out, and I hope you do too. If you're looking for more unique custom pieces like this, visit our channel at Crazy Craft Creations. Don't forget to like, save, and subscribe for more DIY home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching.